Hi, my name is Xing
And I'm Geraldine.
and we are from
Excelitude.
So today is a rather special day. Our clients have actually prepared some questions for us, and I believe this might be something that you're interested in too. So we're here to answer them today. So let's get started.
There is no point in buying too many insurance because I can only claim from one. So this plan, it boils down to two aspects again.
Benefits versus reimbursement. Reimbursement is whereby you have a bill, and let's just say the bill amount is $100. So this $100 bill, you can only claim from one insurance because it's on a receipt basis.
Okay? Whereas benefits, it's more like the sum assured, where if I'm being diagnosed with certain conditions whereby I get paid out a lump sum, for this benefits portion, I don't have to have a receipt to it. Yes, so this I can claim from multiple. So it's okay to buy multiple for benefits insurance.
But whereas for the reimbursement one, it's better to only buy one.
So if you're not sure whether your policy is reimbursement basis or benefits basis, please speak to your financial advisor. I hope that answers the question. So since premiums increases with age, the later I buy, the more I save. Okay, so for this portion, right, we have two kinds of premiums that we're looking at. One of it is the one that we get locked in when we buy. So basically the premium is level throughout the policy period term. So naturally, right, I would recommend, yes, you buy it in earlier. Why? It's because the premiums will be cheaper upon the age of entry. And in this case, you will also get coverage and you don't have to worry so much. The second part will be the premiums, where even upon entering the policy, the premium still increases with age. Would you risk your health by saving that little bit more of money for that later part, where if let's just say you have been diagnosed with a medical condition and that causes you to unable to buy any plans from the insurance company, whereby all the bills are solely on your own expenses. So that way, that little bit of money, is it comparable to the expenses that you have to face?
Last question. I have a hospitalization plan, thus I do not need a critical illness plan. I think this question is quite similar to what my clients always ask me. Oh, if now I also have a critical illness plan, I do not need a disability income plan. Essentially, they are the same, thinking that having one plan can cover most of the stuff. The gist of a hospitalization plan, the idea of it is to actually cover for your inpatient or surgery. But the key thing here is not about just this cost itself. There are also other costs involved. Let's say the critical illness per se is an immobility issue. Okay, you have to probably modify your house to suit that kind of change in lifestyle. The second one, which is quite important to note, is the medication costs. Because medication, sometimes you probably have to eat it for a few years to prevent it from relapse. So in this kind of situation, this medical cost will not be covered under the hospitalization plan. The other part would be, I have a CI, which is a critical illness plan, but I don't need a disability income plan. Then again, they are essentially different. Okay, why do I say that? Disability income is you have to be certified by the doctor to say that you are unable to work your current job. That's where I start giving you your monthly income because there's a loss of it. Alright? But critical illness, the diagnosis has to be within that listed number of illnesses. So question is, what if the illness is not within this list, but I'm still unable to work? So there is still a difference to these two plans, and it's good to have all of it. Imagine this, if I can't work, I have a lump sum and still have my income compensated in certain ways.
Okay, so we have come to the end of our video, and we hope that our video have allowed you some insightful knowledge on your own personal finance. So if you have any more questions, you can feel free to comment below, or if not, private message us on our Facebook page. If you like this video, remember to give us a thumbs up. Till then,